This is a quick tutorial to show you how to access your content, lessons, and assignments within our D2L environment. First, you'll notice that you want to go up to this top bar alongside our homepage. This is what we call our nav bar or our navigation bar. To find your lessons, you're going to click on the little icon that says coursework. You'll click that. You'll notice once you do that, that along the left side of the screen is a table of contents. This is where our course is divided into units and lessons, and this is where you're going to find all of the content that you need for our course. So for example, Unit 1 is our first unit. And you'll notice that once you click on Unit 1, within this unit, all of our different lessons are numbered. So we have lesson number 1, lesson number 2, lesson number 3, so on and so forth. These are hyperlinks, so you'll click on these and that's how you'll access content. As we scroll through, you'll notice that as you go down the page, we have big green bars that go across the top that indicate where the lesson is. This is the equivalent in a face-to-face class of having a teacher standing at the front of the room and teaching you something or giving you handouts that you would fill in. So as you scroll down, we have videos and other interactive ways to complete your lesson. Occasionally, you will see a white box in the middle of your screen, and usually what this is an opportunity for you to extend your learning. So for here, the example is you can create your own mind map using pen and paper, or you can create a mind map using an online program called Mindomo. So you would click on that link. It's just a way to visually make that link stand out for you. As you continue scrolling down, you'll notice that there's essentially little subheadings within each lesson. There's like mini lessons within one big lesson. Again, here we have another white box, so that indicates that this is probably a link that you want to for sure be clicking on. So you click on that and that will give you a graphic organizer. As you continue on, you'll notice another big green bar closer to the end that's called assessment. That is the assignment that you're going to have to work on to show me that you've understood the content that you just read through in the lesson. Sometimes we have pre-writing activities, sometimes we don't, and there's sometimes going to be writing assignments or reading assignments, etc. So as you read through, it'll tell you all of the instructions that you need in order to successfully fulfill the requirements for the assignment. And then there's always going to be two options, a little box here, which is how you're going to submit your finalized and finished assignment, and also another box that's asking you to save it to your e-portfolio. So everything is all in one page. Hopefully this creates ease of use. If you ever have questions about accessing content or assignments, please feel free to email your teacher.